This is the video guide that will help you to remove pop-up windows that are associated with the site Webout.life. Webout.life is a new deceptive website that keeps attacking Google Chrome and many other browsers. This website tries to trick its visitors into clicking on the Allow button. It says that people need to click on Allow to confirm that they are humans and not robots. However, it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on that Allow button. If people do that, the browser is hijacked and infected, and soon people get redirected to many other dangerous pages. Also, they will soon start receiving the great portion of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. So you should obviously do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, Settings, select Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Now you should pay careful attention to all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. As soon as you find this Webout.life, you need to click on this button and remove the junk site from the list. This is the best way to stop these annoying ads from attacking your screen. And finally, I recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.